like the simulator.
Delta, a few clicks down this canyon is a disabled droid core ship. We need you to infiltrate the core ship and retrieve its launch codes, giving us the edge we need to halt the evacuation of the Separatist fleet. Advance via the canyon and effect entry any way you can.
Any intel on the enemy forces in this area?
The core ship is protected by a large anti-air turret, and initial scans reveal a substantial droid presence. Also, expect to encounter local resistance. There's a passage up ahead that should lead to the next canyon.
Alright, let's get to it, squad.
Good luck, Delta, and don't come back without those launch codes.
Looks like we'll have to blow through that rock slide, sir. You've got 138.
Almost. Ready.
It's dead.
It's hot, boss.
Fire in the hole.
Do you think we used enough?
Let's take them down from here, Delta.
Moving into position.
We sure could use your help, sir.
Hang tight, Trooper. Delta squad on our way.
Look out behind you!
Waste.
Poor sod.
Good make use of that
It's
turret
one of
over there.
ours. Talk about a bad landing.
Who?
Nice handiwork, sir. Gunner ready.
Give us some sniping.
How many kills you got today, Psycho?
We're the new wise guy.
Keep this comm clear, you two.
Calm down, Fixer. Just having a little fun. Won't be dead. These bugs just won't quit.
Good. More bugs. More kills.
Cancel snipe maneuver, Commando.
Target eliminated.
Could use some back there, Delta.
Yes, sir. On my way.
Assume snipe position, Delta.
On my way. Good to go, sir. 07, ready for combat. Heads up. Fly.
Abandon turret, Delta.
Ammunition exhausted. And slowly.
That's done. Go, go! Warriors, keep them at arm's length, Deltas.
Thanks, sir. You got it. Way to get him.
Eliminate target. Oh, 07's down. Someone help him.
Okay, now I'm angry.
It was a pleasure.
Behind you, 38.
Let's get going.
Heal up, Delta.
Getting back to...
Executed. Yes, sir. Scorch, in position.
Let's move on.
Just like the simulator. Fresh air. Confirmed kill. Geonosian. Looks like we'll have to blow through that wreckage, sir.
You, back there. Now.
I'm heading there now.
Let's move on.
I could do this all day. On my way.
I'd like some explosives here, Deltas.
Affirmative. Placing charge.
Let's move on.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Quality shooting, Delta 3-8.
That did the trick.
Charge is armed, sir.
Hold on. Reloading.
Get clear!
Good work, Deltas.
Entering passage now.
Light and tight, sir.
Ready harnesses, Deltas. Down
Just
we go.
point me at the enemy and stay out of my way.
Got the chatter, Sev.
Go!
Heads up, enemy aircraft.
Don't worry. They're not looking for us.
Ready and
Bugs, on
wearing,
the
sir.
roof.
That's one less bug. Nice clean hit, sir.
Killed that one. Six-2 powering up.
Eliminate target.
Subject terminated.
Beautiful strike, sir.
This one's dead.
Get yourself some Vector, Commando.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Delta, form up.
Hostiles down.
Need a reload here.
I'm good. Let's go.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
On my way.
3, you sure you don't want someone who can shoot straight?
Moving into position.
Target terminated.
Delta, form up. You could use some Vector, Delta.
On my way.
Moving to your mark. In position.
Feeling better now.
Good hit.
One more for the slag heap.
Nice hit, boss.
Eliminate target.
4-0 reloading.
Hit done.
Let's move on.
I could do this all day.
Dead hostile. There's the turret, squad leader.
That was fun.
Assume snipe position, Delta. We're at the turret now. It looks like there's an opening below it.
Understood. Updating mission parameters now. 3-8, make your way inside and disable the turret.
All right, squad. Let's get in there and start breaking things. This looks like a good spot to set up a grenade position, Deltas.
Delta 40 needs help. I'm on it. I'll be right back. Don't worry.
Set up a grenade position here, Delta.
Enemies go boom, sir. Thermal dent! That was easy.
Set for battle.
Enemy droid here.
Let's use this clear line of fire.
Extreme pleasure, sir.
Eliminate target.
That's done. Need a reload here.
Eliminate target. Take up snipe position.
On my way. Nice shot from the point.
Fire in the hole!
Affirmative.
Stop limping around and get some Vector, soldier.
On my way. Feeling better now.
Stop limping around and get some Vector, soldier.
Yes, sir. All patched up here.
Bunker penetrated.
Roger that, squad leader. Locate turret controls and commence disabling maneuvers.
Disabling maneuvers.
Blowing things up.
Nice shot.
I knew that.
Droids, incoming!
Behind you, 38!
Hostile eliminated. Now I'm ready.
Eliminate target.
Give me another.
Eliminate target.
Reloading.
I think we've found a loading mechanism here.
Affirmative, Delta. See if you can find a weak spot to plant some charges.
Boss, that looks like a good spot to plant a charge.
Setting demo. Need some cover here. Give me a few more seconds.
Visual lock. Droid.
Charge ready when you are, sir.
Droid target down.
That did the trick.
Stand back, Delta.
I'm out. Reloading.
Slice that terminal, Delta.
Affirmative.
Nice hit.
These bugs just won't quit.
Almost there.
Got that bug.
Terminal sliced, squad leader.
Fine shooting, boss. Behind you, 38. We've lost squad lead.
Help, commandos.
Can you die later, sir? It just isn't a good time now.
6-2's down.
Middle monster.
Perfect throw, sir.
Oh, that felt good.
Get yourself some Bacta, Commando.
Yes, sir. That did the trick. What the? Poor sod. More bugs.
Looks like we've got to shut these windows too. Let's hit it, Deltas.
Perfect hit, 3-8. Alien down.
Up. Down. Left. Warriors en route.
Delta, nice one there.
Couldn't have done it better myself, sir.
Stop limping around and get some Bacta, soldier.
Getting back to nothing like a little back to.
Sam, hey, I thought you were invincible.
It's still kicking. I think we need to hit this thing again.
There's the spot. Let's set our charges and do some damage.
Cover me. Priming? Explosives?
Eliminate target.
Explosives? Prime, sir.
Taking position.
Confirmed.
Take cover, Deltas.
So much for stealth. That's done the trick.
Turret disabled.
Good job, 3-8. Now find an exit and make your way to the core ship.
Reloading. That's a kill.
Stop limping around and
Droids
get
are
some
trying to let
Bacta,
in more
soldier.
Geonosians.
No.
Eliminate target.
It's done.
Nice toss.
You know the drill, Deltas. Let's shut them out. Get slicing on that terminal, Commander.
On it, squad leader.
I see bugs.
Nice shooting, sir.
Powering up.
There's one less bug.
Another one down.
One. Terminal sliced, squad leader.
Finally, some peace and quiet.
You could use some Bacta, Delta.
Acknowledged. Retrieving Bacta.
4-0 recovered. Everyone has good vital signs, sir. 4-0 covering vector.
Delta, begin door breach.
On our way. Setting charge. Clear.
Grenade thrown. That's
Oh,
destroyed.
so that's how it opens.
SPDs.
Eliminate target.
Give me another.
Property spotted.
Eliminate target.
Squad leader, excellent work.
Eliminate target.
6-2 powering up.
Slice and dice, sir. That's done. Good shot, sir.
Moving to cover.
3-8, now that you've disabled the anti-air turret, we're making a supply drop near your current position. Keep an eye out for it. Payload includes a special anti-armor attachment for your DC-17. You're going to need it.
Yes! More explosives! You just made my day, advisor. Bots! Incoming!
You got one, 3-8.
Target down.
Good shooting, Delta.
Now I'm ready.
Target terminated.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
I thought you never asked, sir. Oh, yeah, I'm healthy now.
Pack it up, Delta.
Hostiles down.
Look, sir. Here comes the supply drop now. Droid spotted.
Look at the size of that thing.
There's the core ship, sir.
Are you sure, 40? Maybe there's another one around the corner.
Weapon ready. Droid deactivated. Down to local.
I'm tapped out.
Let's move on.
Just like the simulator.
Case on the mark.
Sir,
Good
this
one.
gunship turret is still functional. We could use it against those droids.
Eliminate target.
Squad's in position.
Taking care.
Guard!
Fumigated.
Let's use this clear line of fire.
On my way. In position.
Eliminate target.
It was a pleasure.
You lose.
We should do that more often.
38, behind you!
Heavy battle droids. Powering up.
Good one, sir. Excellent hit, squad leader.
Someone man that turret.
I'll cover you.
Eliminate target.
Turret ready, sir. Give me another.
Look, there's the anti-armor supplies, sir. Droid bearer hostile down.
Prepare for snipe maneuver, Doctor.
Target practice.
Now I'm ready.
An anti-armor attachment. This should come in handy against all these droids.
Anti-armor. Oh, this is nice, boss. Very nice piece of ordnance here.
Area pacification complete.
Abandon turret, Delta.
That'll make them think twice. Retrieving back to...
Visual scan shows nothing, sir.
Whoever left his back to dispenser here should get a medal.
Let's move on.
Hostiles down.
Go, go. This door is shielded, sir. Looks like we have to go around.
Damn droids. Let us through.
Debris blocking our path here, boss. We need to detonate the rocks to get through. And I'm not just saying that because I love to blow stuff up.
Yes, you are.
Almost. Ready. Charge armed and ready.
Get clear.
Do you think we used enough? We got droids!
Cover, Deltas.
Kill that one.
Powering up.
Eliminate target.
How was that?
Eliminate target. Take them out from there, Delta.
Moving into position.
With extreme pleasure, sir. Sev, ready to fight.
What's that?
It's a spider droid, look out!
Deltas, pay attention. You may only have one shot at this. You're looking at a dwarf spider droid, one of the Commerce Guild's nastiest anti-infantry units. Its durasteel plating is rated for starship hulls and is nearly invulnerable to small arms fire. Only its optical cluster, the red orb on its abdomen, is unshielded and vulnerable.
In other words, shoot the big red spot.
Focus on that optical cluster, Delta. We need to set up an anti-armor position now. There. That looks like a good spot.
Sir, you realize this is against recommended protocol? Spider droid!
Take up anti-armor position, Delta.
Yes, sir. I'll be back.
Eliminate target.
Nice shot. That's done.
Back to the scrap heap, Clanker.
I sure hope we don't encounter many more of those. Stop limping around and get some back to us, soldier.
I thought you'd never ask, sir.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
Retrieving it, sir.
I'm good. Let's go.
Commando healed.
We've reached the entrance to the core ship, but it appears to be shielded.
Affirmative, Delta. Hold position. We're bringing in some air support now.
Prepare for snipe maneuver.
Delta Squad, this is Gunship Wing Delta 4-2. We're closing in on your position now. Stand back from the entryway.
You're late to the party, pilot.
You should be happy I got here at all. It's a nightmare out there. We've got a visual on the target area. Initiating firing run now. You boys are gonna want to stand back.
Take cover!
Shield destroyed. Thanks for the assist, 4-2.
Glad to be of service, Delta.
Now get into that core ship and secure those launch codes.
Droids incoming! Killed that one. So much for boarding this thing undetected. I thought this was a covert op.
Eliminate target.
How was that?
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation. Eliminate target.
Slice and dice, sir.
Slice that door, Delta.
We'll need some cover here.
Never saw it coming.
Almost done here. Green means go.
Commence slicing protocols, Delta.
Affirmative.
Give us some sniping, Commando.
Moving into position.
Powering up.
One more for the slag heap.
Eliminate target.
Very close now. Slice complete, sir.
Taken care of.
Exterminated with extreme prejudice.
Good job, Delta Squad. Now that you've reached the core ship, it's time for you to split up. Each of you is tasked with disabling a different critical system within the ship. Taking out these critical systems will weaken the ship defense components and make achieving your ultimate objective easier. Remember, it is imperative that you retrieve those launch codes. Good luck, Deltas.
Initiate slicing protocols, Delta.
Affirmative, sir. I need some cover here. That's a clean slice.
All right,
Open,
sir,
ready
here
to
you
proceed.
go. Happy hunting.
Now that you're on board the core ship, your mission is twofold. Your primary objective is to download the launch codes from the ship's bridge. With the codes, we can halt the evacuation of the droid army. Your secondary objective is to permanently disable this core ship. En route to the bridge, each member of Delta Squad will sabotage critical systems throughout the ship. This elevator should take you to the Super Battle Droid storage racks. Navigate through the racks to the control room and disable its systems. Once you've disabled the droid loader, rendezvous with your squad and make your way to the bridge. We're counting on you, 3-8. Good luck. Advisor out.
Alone against all these droids? They don't stand a chance. These droids must be on standby. I'd better be careful not to wake them up.
Oh, 07 checking in. Just about reached my target. No droids so far.
4-0 reporting. Running into a little droid trouble.
Targets encountered. Identified target. 07 here. I've infiltrated the repulsor lift control room. Slicing the system now. That shook him up.
4-0, resuming course towards primary power conduit.
Squad, our presence is no longer a secret. Keep alert.
SWRe here. I think I've reached the coolant intake valve. No, wait. It's an exhaust port.
6-2, could you can the chatter until you've got something useful to say? 4-0, slicing primary power conduit now.
SWRe reporting. I finally located the coolant intake valve. Planting charges now.
This is quite an operation they've got.
Located enemy unit.
I'm in the loading block control room.
Roger 3-8. I'm uploading an anti-protocol worm that will completely disable their loading operations. Find a terminal and slice it in.
Affirmative.
Unit.
I think I hit a nerve. All right, squad. Secondary objectives complete. Rendezvous on sub-level 1157.
You got it, boss.
Yes, sir.
Affirmative.
We really did a number on this ship.
Running into a bit of trouble here.
We're under attack, sir.
We got a droid situation, boss.
Die, you metalhead piece of trash.
I don't think Trade-Fed Security appreciates our work here.
Like it.
The way these droids are swarming, one might think we weren't welcome.
Just keep them at bay for now. No heroics. Once we're all back together, we'll get ourselves to the bridge, and then we're off this beast for good.
Affirmative.
You got it, boss.
Copy that. detected target.
Nothing on scanner. Visual scan negative. Identified enemy. Tracking audio disturbance. Enemy unit.
Droidicas, let me handle this, sir.
Nice work, 07.
Take cover. They're coming back. That's a kill. Destroy droids. Good shot, sir. Move. Thanks for the assist, boss. Droids incoming.
We're under attack, sir.
We're pinned down!
That's Fixer in 6-2 down there.
Good to see you, sir.
We missed your puckish charm.
Take offensive formation.
Yes, sir.
Secondary objectives complete, ready for orders.
Well done, 3-8. There's a loading substation somewhere on this level with an elevator that will take you directly to the bridge.
Take them out from there. Let's get to it, Deltas.
6-2 powering up.
Confirm kill.
Scratch one bad guy.
Delta, form
Moving
up.
to cover. Destroyer droids ahead. Droid unit down.
Leader taking him down. Nice one.
Visual lock.
Sir, we're all fine.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Readying weapon.
On my way.
Scorch, in position.
Good to go, sir.
Fresh ammo.
It's a droid dispenser, 07. Next time, read the briefing.
Boss, a demo charge should shut it down for good.
Almost.
Good take, lead.
Charge armed.
Enemy unit.
Stand back, Deltas. Good work, squad. I hope we don't run across more of those anytime soon.
Targets eliminated.
Assume snipe position, Deltas.
With extreme pleasure, sir.
6-2 taking
Let's
position.
find out what's on the other side.
Initiating breach maneuver. Charge set. All clear.
Fire in the hole!
Door breach, let's move.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
Yes, sir.
Flankers!
Sufficient kill, Commando.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
We've got bugs, Deltas.
Nice move, sir. Watch out for the frickin' laser beam!
Eliminate target.
40's in capped.
We'll beat these bugs, Delta.
Helping Delta 40.
Successful hit.
Looks like we'll have to get through this door. There's got to be a control console around here somewhere. Let's get to it, Deltas. Delta, form up. Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
Yes, sir. On my way.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
On my way. Feeling better.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Yes, sir.
That's just what I needed.
Anti-armor, mark that position. Go!
My favorite, sir.
With extreme pleasure, sir. Sev, ready to fire.
Eliminate target. Hold it together, Deltas.
I'll be right back, don't worry. Excellent shot, sir. Excellent kill.
Anti-armor, mark that position. Go!
Yes, sir.
Pack it up, Delta. Let's use this clear line of fire.
On my way.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
Acknowledged. Retrieving Bacta.
Let's take them down from here, Delta.
Moving to your mark. In position.
Feeling better.
Get slicing on that terminal, Commando.
Yes, 3-8. Sliced, squad leader.
Assume snipe position, Delta.
Yes, sir. Good to go, sir. Look alert! Another spider droid dead ahead!
I'm starting to hate these guys.
Need aid now.
Nothing 3-8 here. Spider droid.
That's done.
Excellent kill. That was a lot more intense than the simulations. These look even uglier when they're dead. On the move, awaiting orders.
07, ready for combat.
Go, go!
Commence door breach.
Aye, aye. Detonator placed. Clear.
Grenade thrown!
Eliminate target.
Hostile down.
Fine shooting, boss. It's done. Located some enemy droids.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation. Eliminate target.
It was a pleasure.
This should be the elevator. That'll take us to the bridge.
All aboard!
Alert, hull breach imminent. Critical systems failure in 5 minutes. Evacuate immediately.
Confederate mix sighted.
Another one for the squad people. Good take, lead.
Delta Squad on sub-level 0001.
Triticus.
Good job, 3-8. Now find the bridge and get those codes.
Affirmative. Move it, Deltas. The ship has just about had it.
4-0, reloading.
All integrity compromised. Evacuate immediately.
Nice toss, 3-8.
Critical systems failure in 4 minutes.
Remind me to leave the ship before we destroy it next time.
Breach that door, Delta.
Let's do it.
Heavy battle
Eliminate
droids.
tag. Hold up, Delta.
Yes, sir.
Give me another.
Commence door breach.
Absolutely, sir. Placing breach charge. Clear.
Fire in the hole.
Clean breach. Let's go.
Eliminate target.
Stabilizers failing. System failure imminent.
Up, tap down. That's it. Hit confirmed.
Droid!
Nice handiwork, sir.
Eliminate target. Hold tight, Deltas. We're almost there. The bridge should be just through this door. Initiate door breach, Commando.
Commencing door breach maneuver. Detonator placed. Clear.
Critical systems failure in 3 minutes.
We better hurry. Come on, Delta. Let's get those codes and get out of here.
Protect that console. It's our only ticket out of here.
Head droid down.
Hostile down.
Got it.
Commence slicing protocols, Delta.
On it.
No!
Eliminate target.
Hit confirmed.
Hurry up. This is taking longer than I'd like.
Working as fast as I can, sir.
Critical systems failure in 2 minutes.
Not much time left, sir. Good unit down.
Much better.
Slice.
Codes downloaded, sir.
Good to go.
We've got the codes.
Well done, Deltas. Now get yourselves out of there.
Aft door's open.
Delta
Can we
Squad,
leave
we're
now?
approaching the core ship now. Advance to the aft docking ring. Be advised we're going to blast it open. Stand back!
It's good to see you, 4-2.